It was a great opportunity for us, I think, to come and have the opportunity to learn more about Connect Transit and the services that are provided. And so we have Andy Shirk from Beer Nuts, Barb Nathan from Westminster Village, and Connie Mandula from CM Promotions, a Geiger company, but also the chairman of the board is here for the Chamber of Commerce. So what did you guys think about the opportunity to spend time on Connect today?
It helped me gain a perspective on what you had even presented to us, especially the challenges in downtown Bloomington. But the ride was comfortable. I think you said it was quick.
Quick ride?
Yeah.
Very clean. The buses moved very smooth. I think one of the things I noticed was standing for a few minutes outside. It was a little chilly on Front Street waiting for the next bus. So that was probably the worst part of the whole trip.
I think you're saying there's a need for transportation
I think
downtown.
there's a need for some type of solution for that, yes.
And just think that would be an incredibly warm day in about 2 months.
Yes.
Well, I think the opportunity was great not only to see it, but also to experience and to see how the other riders and other passengers were using the system and see the number of people. I think the volume of people that were using the service this afternoon when we had the opportunity to go was a bit surprising, and they know the system. You could see they were very comfortable getting on the bus, getting off the bus, what the stops were, what they had to do at the stops. And I think that's important. So as we look at our members from the chamber and their needs for employees, how can we better communicate what options are for transportation for people to and from the bus stop to their place of employment? So I think there's a great opportunity for us to be better messengers about what that could provide for the members that we serve.